this is what it's like in New Zealand on a normal day. Sure, it's the middle of spring, but what? Even the camera can see the rain, so that indicates it's really heavy in real life, because normally cameras don't catch the rain. Look at this right now. Look at the table. How is the sky capable of this? These puddles has just formed. Oh my god, there's a big puddle area over here. Mate. Look at the trees. This is New Zealand in a nutshell. If it isn't even Christchurch where they got most of the floods, eh? How? I was thinking about quitting making fairy videos because there can be very fairy hunters on YouTube, but nah. I live in New Zealand. Could live in any part of New Zealand. But boy, oh boy. Seba, if you're watching this, like Seba plays it, if you're watching this, is it raining at your part of the thing? Okay. And you'll know what I'm talking about.